All right, Grant here from Spectra Racing. This is a short one today on how to match the light balance in an inside car view. I noticed in a lot of racing and car videos, when you want to place the camera inside, that the outside world is always kind of overblown in a lot of these videos, and the GoPro can't really handle it. So what's really going on here is that the inside of the car is dark, the outside world is bright. So what happens is the GoPro is overexposing the inside of the car. And what happens is the outside world looks, completely blown out. So there's a quick and easy step you can do to fix this. So you go into your GoPro here. Apologies, I have a UV filter thing here on the GoPro, so it's a little blown out, ironically. So you go in here and you go to your min and max ISO settings. So some of the newer GoPros, you can have presets. So I have a preset set with a custom. So your min ISO should be 100. And then you go to your max ISO and it should be around 800. Now you are going to have to play around with this depending on the time of day and stuff like that. But with these new presets and the newer GoPros, you can do that. So as you can see kind of the before and after here. These are different cars, but you can get the same result. I haven't been able to do a direct comparison. But you can see how blown out it is at Daytona here. And then how not blown out it is at the firm doing a rally. So a quick explanation of what you're actually doing here. What you're setting is the ISO, and the ISO is kind of the camera's sensitivity to light. Now, I am no professional photographer, so feel free to correct me on some of these terms. But essentially what you're doing is you're setting a lower limit, whereas you're just kind of setting a base lower limit. It necessarily doesn't really have too much of an effect. The upper limit, though, what you're doing is you're not allowing the camera to crank it up all the way. So when it's really dark out, you'll notice on camera phones that it'll just kind of blow out. It doesn't look that great at night. What's happening is your camera is blowing the ISO up to 2000 or 1600 or whatever it is. But what you're doing with this setting is you're setting it to 800. So you're stopping your camera from blowing out the ISO because the inside of your car is dark. That's it for this quick video. Thanks for watching.